We've been learning about coral and all of the fish that need it to survive. We have a lot of coral here in the Dominican Republic, but it is not very healthy and it is in danger of becoming extinct.
You see, coral gets its food from a tiny plant that lives inside it called algae.
Do you know how plants get their energy? Yes, the sun. So, for this plant to get sunlight in the ocean and for the coral to survive, the water needs to be clean and clear.
Sadly, garbage and other pollution is blocking the sunlight that the coral needs to survive.
In our science class, we wanted to be part of the solution, not the pollution. So we worked on trying to solve a problem. We decided to study one way that the ocean water gets dirty, oil spills. We want to tell you about how we worked on helping to solve this problem. We started with a question. How can an oil spill be cleaned up? The next step was to understand the problem. We learned that boats and pipes leak oil into the sea and that it is very hard to clean up. We learned new vocabulary and ways that people are already trying to solve the problem.
A boom is used to contain the oil. Contain means to keep it in one place. To absorb is to soak up.
The next step in solving the problem was to plan. We worked in groups and had $225 for $10 to spend.
We brainstormed ideas and picked the best ideas from all of the members of the group. We looked at all the materials and how much they cost.
Which would be the best for a boom to contain the oil? How could we absorb the oil? Where could we store the oil? Which materials float?
After that, we built the system. It took a few days, a lot of talking, and good teamwork to build our system. Sometimes things didn't work like we thought they would, and we had to change our design.
Finally, we got to test our system. We used a bin of water to be the ocean and a cup of vegetable oil and cocoa powder as the oil spill.
We scored each system on how well it contained the oil, how well it absorbs the oil, how much it cost to build, and if the system was dangerous to animals.
We realized that, although we had worked hard during the process, all of our systems needed to work better. The final step in solving a problem is to go back and fix the parts that didn't work.
Let's review the steps to solving a problem. First, start with a question that you want to answer. Then, understand the problem. Do research. 3. Plan a solution. Brainstorm and design. 4. Build. 5. Test your solution to see how it works. And finally, go back and fix any problems.